Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to convert GGives to cash using Maya Business. In this video, we'll cover how to handle gifts with Maya Business and why you cannot directly convert GGives to cash. GGives is a loan-based installment feature in Gcash, designed strictly for purchases from accredited merchant. When you use GGives, the payment goes straight to the merchant's account for actual product or services. Attempting to simulate purchases or refunding money to get cash is considered fraudulent and can lead to account suspension, freezing, or blacklisting on both Gcash and Maya platforms. So, the feature is not meant for cash withdrawals. If you need cash, your alternatives are Gcash Credit or GLoan, or Maya Personal Loan, which allow direct transfers to your bank. Always use GGives responsibly for purchases only, following official terms of service. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.